Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the HiPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So in this application you can invite friends to have conversations, to chat. So you can create a group chat and you can also invite friends with different methods. You can edit your own personal details, and you can set widgets, and here you can set the language as well. You can explore different videos here if you want to, and you can also play like multiplayer games if you have friends. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.